Okay, Celine, what's it, that animal right there?
Maybe a seal.
Yeah, seal. What color is it?
It's gray. It's first gray and white. It has a yellow beak and like pink feet.
Oh, okay.
What is your first impression of this bird?
I think this is the only one that I haven't seen that's like super hostile, seems very chill. And I like that it seems to be pretty fluffy. And I think it's aware, like I think that he is aware of like we are talking about him.
Talking about him. Oh, he's moving! He's moving!
I think the seagulls gonna be a fun kind of people, and I think I'll be friends with them because seagulls, if they're a person, they're gonna love the beach. They're gonna love doing surfing,
That's
and they're
true.
gonna love chilling beside the beach.
The beach, yeah.
Yeah. Are they traveling together or they like traveling alone? Do they have a sense of direction? Do they know where they're going? Do they have to stop? Are they getting tired of flying?
That's true.
And what's the reason why they're flying? Because they have legs. They
That's
can
true.
walk if they want to walk. And there was this thing that every time a bird wants to fly higher, the wings goes like that. And then when they want to stay, it's gonna steady and then it's gonna go like that.